Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to see how to write the data into CSV file using CSVWriter. Without any further ado, let us start the video. Guys, let us start the same. We'll start with try and catch block. Try will execute the program, catch will catch the exception if any exception is thrown. Okay, so here I'll write e.printStackTrace. We'll follow the same procedure how we did with CSV reader. Here we have to just read the file. So we'll take like this, CSV reader equal to null. Instead of that, we'll write CSV writer. So let's take dot star. So I'll write CSV writer equal to writer. So null. In the try we'll add the same. So writer equal to new CSV writer. In that we'll open a new file writer. So I'll write new file writer. Let us see suggestion. It should be java.io. So let us take this file itself, and we can write CSVWriter.csv at the end. I think it's visible now. So CSV writer, we are writing it here. Okay. So file writer, let us see suggestions now. So it is java.io. Suggestion we got. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll add a header. So I'll write string array. So I'll write it as header equal to, I'll just write two header names. So name and serial number. So I'll write serial number in the beginning, serial number, and I'll write comma here and name. That's it. At the end I'll close this. So if we want, we can add the data also. Let us write string array of rowValues. So first row value whatever it is. Serial number I can write for serial number 1, and I can write name as AZHAR. These are the two values which I need. Okay. So, and I'll write after header, I don't want it to the same line. So I'll write writer. So write next, it will be there. Okay. Writer.writeNext of the header. Okay. First write the header value, then write next, go to next line, then write the data row values. So same thing when copy here, writer.writeNext of row values. If the file is not there, it will create the file. Then what we'll do, I'll just want to close the writer.close. Okay, that's it. So I'm just adding a header, I'm just adding the row values, I'm writing through the writer CSV writer file. Okay, so let me run this, run as Java application. So here the file will be appear. So once it's done, so now what I'll do, I'll go to my project, I'll click on refresh. I can see the CSV writer here. Let me double click this. So you can see serial number, name, serial number is 1 and name is AZHAR. It has created. Let me close this. So that's it, a simple program as that. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.